YouTube. Hi lovely viewers, welcome to Lady T TV channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers to my channel. Welcome all of you guys, you beautiful and lovely friends. Thank you all for coming. So today's video is about this headband, guys. Yes, so I saw so many people trying to buy headband wigs. I think it's not necessary. You can use your old wigs and lose it and make some. So this is how I make mine without doing all those things. So let's get started. So what you're going to do, you need a headband and a wig. You need a wig. You need your wig, any type of wig you have. You need your headband, different types, different colors. There are so many colors. Just go to AliExpress. You get this for less than €3. Yes, guys, go and get these headbands. They are lovely and they last. I've been using this since. So, guys, let's get started. So, this is how I do it. You can see it. They have different colors. They have white, they have red, they have many colors. So, this is my wig. Maybe you have a wig, a lace wig, any type non-lace wig, and then you feel like you need to put headband. And when you add the headband, you don't need to put baby hairs on the wigs. You know, it's very easy. So what do? And if you want to make wig, I'm going to make a video on how to make headband wigs. But for now, sorry guys, I have cold. For now, I'm going to teach you how to use headband on your old wigs. Yes, very easy and simple. Yeah. So let's go. So you can use this for the first one, but it does not matter. So let me teach you. You put the black one first. This is it. This is the wig. This is my hair with my wig cap. So you bring your wig. You can see my wig, my homemade wig. You can see it. So take it this way. Here's this hair. We're going to use the headband. Very simple. I love to curl my ears just like this. Do it as you want. So it's not moving, it's not falling off. This is the back, this is the front. Just put it here. It's very comfortable. So that is it. Style number 1. So this is the first style. You can change it as you want. Change the colors. can decide to add this just like this. This one and this one, they are the same.